Question 8. Scientists conduct a 9-week experiment to the plants A and B of the same species, 2 plants. He wanted to determine the effect of using the new plant fertilizer. Plant A is about a testing question, statistic, testing, t-test, comparing 2 samples. Plant A was given fertilizer regularly, while the plant B was not. Scientists found that the height of plant A, HA centimeter as the time t weeks, can be modeled by the function. Now it's not about t-test. Okay, we have this function HA, sinusoidal trigonometry function added with a linear function here. Okay, so it will be complicated, not a normal linear sinusoidal wave. Scientists found that the height of plant B, HB, is given by the linear model below. Use the scientist model to find the initial height of the plant B. List question 1 is very simple. Initial height of the plant B, you just need to put the time to be 0 here. HB at the time 0 is 8 times 0. Lot 32, so that equal to 32 centimeter. Okay, I think 1 mark. Then plant A correct to 3 centimeter. Similarly, we need to put the time to be 0 in the height of the plant A. A at the time 0 is the sine of 6. Here, I think not 6 degrees, but radian. Sine of 6 because 2 times 0 is 0. And then plus 27 because 9 times 0 is also 0. So just add it with 27. And use the sine of 6 radian calculated with the, do they mention about the angle degree meridian? No, it should be radian. Okay, the time, yeah, because the time is given by the number 0 to 9. Okay, I need to change the measurement of the angle here to radian again, radian. And then take the sine of 6 and add it with 27. The initial height of this plant B, plant A is 26.7. 3 significant figures, 26.7. Okay, so the sign there is a negative value, centimeter. Question 8, yeah, 27. Sine 6, and that definitely radian.
Question. When you read a question, how do you know when to use degrees or radians for math?
Because the time here is kind of limited. It's not like 300 or something, not a big value. And normally for the problem, just like the way they give the problem for the IB. Normally, when they give an equation like this, involving the trigonometry function and linear function, the value is radian function. For all the type of modeling, this is a modeling problem using a function to describe the growth of the plant. But for the question geometry, up here, definitely degree. It is written very clearly, 63 degrees and 27 degrees. So just remember that 99% of the questions about modeling, about functions is in radian. Find the value of time when the 2 height is the same. So you just need to put these 2 equations into the equation solver. Or you can plot the 2 graphs and find the intersection of those 2 graphs. But when drawing the graph, we need to choose the window carefully. So I'll try using the equation solver first. Equation solver here, putting the equation into it. So delete the old function. Sine of 2x plus 6 and then plus 27 equal shift here, and the equal sign is the dot here, equal 8x plus 32. Done. Okay. And because the time is given from 0 to 9 in that range, that domain. So I would guess the solution is like 7 or something, just in the middle. Okay, 6 or 7 doesn't matter. Just put a guess here, and then so click enter, and then click solve. There, this is the time. Graph to 36, meaning 5 point using GDC. Using GDC, time is 5.88 seconds. That is one solution. There are other 2 solutions. So guessing we can miss some solution. So we should do the graphing instead. Yeah, when solving problem, the better way is using the graphing. Okay, exit menu graph. I will enter the 2 equation. Sine of 2x and plus 9t, tex, and plus 27. The second equation is ax plus 32. Okay, now I need to choose the window. Trace window. Oops, exit. Shift window. Okay. The minimum I would choose to be 26 because that is the initial height of the plant A, which is the lower height compared to 32. Okay. Now draw these graph. Shift window 26 is not enough. Lower it to like 10 and increase the height here to 100 and draw it again. The bottom here, okay, the Y, wait, in radian, okay, from, okay. Because the radian here, 8 is a big value and therefore the graph is very steep like that. It makes sense. The minimum is not enough, huh? Okay, change the window again. Minimum is negative value 0. Okay, make it 0. The X here maximum 9. Change it again and draw. Okay, only one intersection. That makes sense because this is a linear graph. 80 plus 32. It just go up like that. The height of that, the other plan varies weirdly, huh? Radian.
You can try G-solve and find the intersect to see if it's like the value on the mark scheme.
Intersect. The height here, show coordinate. Yeah. Intersect here, X is 0.1, which is different from the mark scheme. Different. Let me check the formula again. 2 sine. Oh, sorry. This is the plus. I accidentally hit the multiple sign. Huh? Okay. Sine of 2x plus 9x plus 27. Okay. Again, mistyping. Huh? Delete the function. Ax added with 32. Okay. Draw. Okay. The window again. From 26. Draw. Okay. There are like 2 intercepts there, huh? Shift so for intersect 1 point here. Exactly with the mark scheme. Another point. Yeah. So there are 3 intersections points. Okay.
So there are 3 on the mark scheme, right?
Sine of 2x plus 9 plus 6, then plus 9t plus 27. It is 9. What 9 something? 9x. Okay, here. Like the sign only change the line a little bit, huh? Basically a line, but the sign here just change the height of the tree slightly, curves a little bit, huh? Okay. So there are 3 solutions in weeks. Okay, 4 weeks. The time is 4 weeks, and then 4.70 week, huh? 4.70, and lastly 5.88. Did you do that using the GDC to practice, huh? Not just like watching. Okay, yeah. Attempt to solve with the GDC.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, I'm practicing right now on the calculator.
You got the same answer, right? With the GDC. Yep. First time here, find the total amount of time when the rate of growth plan B was greater than rate of growth of plan A. Rate derivative is the rate of the change of y in terms of x. Okay, derivative. So we need to do the 2 derivative for the 2 function HA and let the HB derivative to be greater than that of the of HA. Okay, HA derivative is we have a chain rule here. The function inside the bracket is a u function. Okay, we need u the chain rule. Derivative of sine is cosine of 2t plus 6, and then multiply with the derivative of 2t plus 6. It means this thing is 2. Okay, cosine of 2t plus 6. You understand it? The chain rule. Okay.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute again. Yeah, I understand it.
And then add it with 9. The derivative of HB derivative is just 8. Very simple, huh? So to find the answer of question C, we need to let HB derivative to be greater than HA derivative, which means the cosine of 2t plus 6 must be less than 8 minus 9 over 2 is 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2. I will graph the 2 function like this. I said delete the function here. The first function is the cosine of 2x plus 6. The second equation minus 1/2. Now I will choose the window from 0 to 9 for the term, and the y value is the cosine. It should be less than 8, so the maximum will be 8. The minimum I can choose like -2. The maximum is 8 or 9, and then draw it. Yeah, the point is that these the cosine must be smaller than minus 1/2. It means we need to take the part of the graph lower than the red line here. Let me change the window so that we see it easier, huh? Change it, the maximum value is 2. Then set draw. We need to choose this part below the red line minus 1/2, meaning we will have a range of the solution. The next step, we will use the resolve for the intersection point. The time must be from this one, 1.19 to 2.2. Okay, so t is belong to this range. So we can write t greater than t value again. 1.191. Then t smaller than greater than the next range, huh? The next range here, 4.33, and
5.38.
4.38. Please tell me the next range, the last
Okay.
range.
Larger than 7.47
And
and smaller than 8.52.
5.2. Okay. Comparing with the answer here. Wow, they take a lot of values, not 3.6. Yeah, because the solution is not beautiful, but
What is
basically
that?
the same.